World, see him there.
Good man.
People. Love.
Love.
This is from then till this time, till this time, till this time. People see him there now. We call him Mad Dog, but I don't know anything like the name there.
Yeah, man.
Mad Dog, we say. People, when you don't come from the airport now, give me a large one, Mad Dog. What you have yourself? You see that brown one there? That brown one that never give me nothing for free, you know. And he don't like me, you know. That brown one there. But you see Mad Dog, aye. People, when you don't come from the airport, I tell them to book on the ticket early. Because I hang out with certain girlie. And I try to bring them around Mobay early. And then can't find no good soup. I buy a soup and bring it to the airport for a girl and she nearly kill me. Because I never did open. And right now Mobay and where Mobay and what his name? Yardies. Only two me find.
Okay.
Every soup man for dead. I'm sorry, it's a wrong thing to say, but you see you feel live.
Alright.
Because you see what you deal with your stuff. And mad love you give. You saw me I say. So me have to save and separate the bad from the good. Look the Lord God. When you book on the ticket early. You hear me say to you? This is Mad Dog. Google Mega Mad. Put down the soup there, so. Give me fork. Give me a small one too. And what is?
Fish.
And they say enough to talk over the soup, so step back. Yo, Jamaica good life. It's not a pub life. See him there, I'm at the soup man now. Mad Dog, give them your number.
894-9799.
Talk up like your man.
894-9799.
Alright, Mad Dog. When I come check him, I'm name him Mad Dog. Cause the soup mad. To bark like a dog to right. No cover it. Lows and skirt, me say. Alright, see it now. Give me a spoon. Let me test it now. Let me bless it now. You say confess the right. You know a long time I don't see you. Tell me what going on with life. How you
Life
feel?
good, man.
You lose weight, you know?
Come on. Change the diet.
Talk. Oh! Talk. Look at me. You don't see the difference?
Change the diet.
This show is brought to you by Jamaica Health Box. I am Jamaica Health Box. Sea moss every day, every week. Spirulina, sea moss, arrowroot in a one blend. That's what you need to do now to look good like me. You see, not reach there yet, you know, brother? So what you cut out?
Meat.
You cut out the meat?
Yeah, man. Fish.
Straight fish.
Fish.
But glad to see you, man. You see your face, like you're happier. How much years you do it now? I never recognize you.
This year, man. Start from me, chapter.
So what did happen to you? Something did happen to you?
Not really, but we just decide to.
Fish. All the chicken.
Little chicken.
No one then.
Yeah.
Not too much dumpling.
No.
Not too much rice.
No.
At the callaloo, at the king, you know. And if you get the can, just take it off the top with the callaloo. If you eat avocado and callaloo and avocado and fish, eat the whole pear. Alright, but people don't know say you don't need to cook. Buy one avocado a day, little hard, and you eat that with whatever. One little banana. So they don't know say the son cook the beer. So when you cook the food, you idiot. The beer don't cook already. So that's why we lose it.
True, man.
So now you have to start taking magnesium capsules. Go to the store, I beg you. Every man over 35 needs to know about magnesium. Magnesium is just as important as your woman. Without it, she'll leave you. Get magnesium capsules, take that supplement. You must drink a shake with sea moss, spirulina, arrowroot, maca. You see them herbs there with the coconut milk. If you drink that shake there at least 1 glass every week, 2 glasses of that with the sea moss, you will get nutrients. Nutrients is different from food. Stop eat food and start eat nutrients. So we separate the two. We don't eat rice no more. We don't eat the big flour dumpling. We say 80% cornmeal. You saw me, I said the white thing will kill you, the white fridge kill you, the white sugar kill you, the white flour kill you, the white rice kill you, everything. And we don't deal with sugar, we do blackstrap molasses for the little iron.
Yeah, man.
So how do you eat them?
Them good in them, man.
So what you say to the world?
Say to the world, Mad Dog to the world.
One love. People, see that? Mega Mart. Just Google that. We're gonna take it early. This soup hot. Alright, me go check it now. Open this for me, Maddie. Open it for me. Me not get no chicken for free. You know who me is. You know who me is. So give me the chicken for free. I want it free today. You know who me is. You know who me is, you know. Then treat me like some a stranger. Jesus coming on manger and then treat me like stranger. A fish what? A fish soup there. See it there? Not too much salt. Are you cooking? A brown man cook the fish? People see the big one there. How much for the big one? 7. And how much for the little one? 4. This is Jamaica Good Life. We're in Mobay. And we're going to do the fish soup. I'm going to bring that home, go freeze it. So what keeps you through life? What makes you strong?
You see that man exercise only in man.
What kind of exercise? Walk?
Walk, run, bunny sand, swim.
You go beach? What beach you go? What best beach run is? Dr. Cave?
Harmony.
What name?
Harmony.
Harmony? Harmony, yeah, you go there, sir.
Yeah, man.
You love? You love say, hey, I did some there too, you know?
Yeah. Fish, chicken, food, chicken, and cow.
She never say excuse me, you know?
Yeah, man. 200.
Alright, people, you hear what I'm saying? Harmony Park. Harmony Park, nice, you know? You know what I do? Look at the side with the shade there. And get a chair. See the free food for Randy. Mobay care about me. Lord of mercy. People everywhere I go, people them know. Alright, so the name of the place again is? The name of the restaurant?
Little Pelican.
Little Pelican. Alright people, you see the food at Mobay, Little Pelican? Yes. Feels like KFC. And not too much salt not upon it. We're good. So Little Pelican, on a Google Mega Man. Just Google Mega Man, alright? The chicken, nice. So this is the first place we don't want to stop. We don't want to get the soup, we're going to fly it early. And what kind of soup this?
Chicken food, chicken and cow.
Chicken food, chicken neck, cow food, yes. That one is fresh. You know what? Meat gone off for the bone. The chicken knife. Not too salt.
What kind of food?
Yeah. Look up there, look up. So the lady buy up the soup there.
Chicken food, chicken cow food, 50.
How much for everything, you know?
1,000.
Oh yeah. Yeah man, mad dog, the chicken mad. Yeah man. Celebrate today. Yo, look at this soup. Nice. That soup, nice man. I could bring that soup, like I'll give my friend them. Pretty late. Wow. Yeah man, it's so good. Not too much salt. Yeah man. I know it's so worth it. I've lived the good life. Still I look for the good wife. Too much of the woman them fuss and fight. No chicken, no normal. Seasoned to the bone. It's not dry. Yeah, man. Yeah. Fully cooked. Now the skin. Yeah, man. So, let me tell you now. It's a chance to enjoy the life. This is Jamaica good life. I'm gonna tell you. It's not a pub life. From Hot Feet Sea View, I'm sure that. Yeah, when you hear me I say, I know food place at Mobay, I rate jerkies, not jerkies. The wet pork, you have to call, Google a place name. It's at Catherine Hall right now, Mega Mall. For them soup, them up, them good. Jerk chicken, I don't rate it yet. Negril and Kingston have the best and Mandeville. But there's a place called Yardies. And Yardies, them are normal. You see them curry goat. So when you see a video, look out for the video with Yardies. So them are the soup people. You see when Yardies are cook curry goat, you want to fly in that day there. Yardies curry goat is normal. You ever been to Yardies? Over where Robinson Electronics store there.
Okay.
What the car wash. Them have good food. But on the chicken, a long time you don't pass it. A long time you don't phone you know. Where you say now? You say your workout. Tell the people.
Yeah, man, my workout. Let's hold it back.
Tell about Harmony Park. The glad say bill.
What? Harmony Park, nice. Best beach, right?
They park every weekend.
Every weekend. Every Saturday and Sunday, we do that.
Every Saturday and Sunday. You can bring food in, you can smoke on the side. So, as far as how much you charge for going if you're walking? You bring your car?
Well, we don't know about driving car that side, but you're just walking free.
Free.
As long as you don't have no weapon and no back.
Every Saturday and Sunday.
So every Saturday and Sunday we do that. In the afternoon,
Yeah man, me there swim at the best beach in Jamaica right now, no?
yeah.
Nothing no, you walk on the sand and nothing. That's them village, you know.
So every Saturday and Sunday we do that.
So you say Mobay a change, right?
Yeah, man.
As far as the crime, you see that are reduced too?
Crime, I think, is part of problem, right?
But more soldiers they run everywhere though.
Yeah, them around, but why not tell them? They can't everywhere.
I will notice well, people have to just watch on the move. You have to just mind your business and go about your business. Alright, this is it. And then what for do? Book the flight early, make a car driver drop yourself. And to my dad, Jamaica good life send you.